Hello, and welcome to the Getting Started with Idea video series presented by Automation Services. In the first video in the Getting Started series, we saw how to create a project. In Idea, individual projects are used to keep one project's data and analysis results completely separated from any other project using Idea version 9's Project Library System. We also added a couple of data sets to the source files library folder in our new project. The next step in any analysis procedure is to import your source data into your Idea project. For this demonstration, we're still looking at the managed project that we called My First Project. On the Home ribbon, in the Import category, click the Desktop button to open the Import Assistant. As you can see, there is a wide variety of file types that can be imported, and the majority of the most common file types are represented in this list, such as Excel, Access, ASCII delimited like text and CSV, print reports, and even PDFs. They all have easy-to-use wizards to import the data into your project. In this demonstration, we'll step through the process of importing Excel workbook data into your project, creating read-only snapshot of that source data to use in your analysis plan. I'm going to import the sample.xls file that we added to the project in the last demonstration. Click Excel in the Import Assistant list and navigate to the file by clicking the small button next to the File Name text box. When the Select File dialog opens, it'll be pointed to the Source Files library folder in our current project by default. But, like we saw when adding the files to the Source Files library folder, I can search anywhere on my PC or network for the file that I want to import. Click the sample.xls file to highlight it, and then click Open to return to the Import Assistant. Now click Next to open the Excel Import Assistant. In the upper left box, you'll see a list of all the sheets present in your workbook. You can import any combination of sheets in a single operation, and each of the sheets you select will create a separate Idea database once it's imported. Clicking on a worksheet name will display a preview of the data in the lower part of the dialog. If the first row of data contains field names, click this box and your Idea database will have the columns named after importing. And I encourage you to get in the habit of clicking the box next to the Import Empty Numeric Cells as 0. What this does for you is, if you have a column that contains all numbers and blank cells, Idea will fill the blanks with zeros and ensure that the column is properly interpreted as a number. After all, you can't do any math on a blank. The databases that are imported into your Idea project will be named a combination of the output file name and the sheet name, separated by a dash. All that's left to do is click the OK button to import the data into your project. During this short video, we saw how to open the Import Assistant and import the data from a single worksheet from an Excel workbook into our Idea project. Now that the data is imported and secure from accidentally altering any values, we can start our analysis or audit procedures. If you have any questions, need more information, or assistance importing your Excel data into your project, please call the Automation Services Help Desk at 888-641-2800 and choose option 4. Thanks, and make it a great day.